Taurus, thank you for clicking on my channel. Welcome to the journey home. My name is Catherine, and we'll talk about a significant other in your life, whether it is a family member, a friend, a lover. Let's see who shows up here for energies and what you might be dealing with at this time. Where's this person's head at? Well, they want to come in with an offer. This could be someone new coming in your life. Could be a gift that is coming towards you. Four of Water. This person is discontent or bored. They're trying to be patient. All right, we see some... Give me a second here. This person is at the heart of the reading, patience. Being patient, trying to be patient, trying to communicate and choose their words carefully with you. They don't want to be hit. They don't want to risk the harshness of what you might say in return. That will make them feel lesser of a person. They're discontent with the communication that you're having with them. You could be dealing with an air sign. And they're actually wondering if they're standing their ground. Whoever this is, Taurus, they're standing their ground. They see you as stable. They're trying to keep themselves stable, logical. They're being very... almost methodical, logical. We have a peace offering up here with patience and communication. Clear communication without the emotion. If we can just get past the emotions, because whatever happened here was somewhat emotional for them. Perhaps you hurt their feelings. Perhaps they hurt your feelings if it's resonating that way for you. But we have them standing their ground, keeping themselves anchored and seemingly locked in the truth. Now, for some of you, is this a person who just feels that they know that they're dead right and will stand on that truth no matter what? But they're not happy about it. They're definitely not happy about it. They are very discontented about it. It could be that you said something to them that really hurt their feelings or made them feel like they were thrown under the bus. I'm not getting a sense of betrayal here, but it bruised them. Again, Taurus, this could be the other way around. This could be you. Let's have a look at the clarifiers. They want communication to be lighter with you. Clear communication, anchored communication, truthful, balanced. If you were to approach this person, Taurus, in a playful way, or a humorous way, or to expound on, their strengths that you admire, the feedback will be positive. They are being they're protecting their heart. They do have barriers up. They don't want to be hurt again. They're ending a cycle. They've been waiting patiently for this cycle to end. It's like, if I am patient long enough, this too shall pass. and it's going to pass in a big way for them. What they had hoped would come in will come in, well, more than they hoped for. It could be that this person is very strongly focused on their money, and then their ships come in, which is going to help them get over this, heal these bruises of feeling thrown under the bus. They're creating a whole new reality that is strengthening in time. We have both the King and the Queen of Swords. This person feels that they can have really good communication with you. So if this is something that was really terrible that happened with you and this person, I don't know, every situation is different for every Taurus, but with the King and the Queen of Swords, this is about that, mutual respect, even like a brotherly, sisterly affection, that feeling of safety, that they can talk to you, get a clear answer. This person is also cutting out some things in their life that they know need to be cut out. But I don't feel like this person feels it has anything to do with you. It's almost like, I know what I need to cut out of my life. I don't need you telling me what it is. But I can discuss with you the process I'm going through that I am proud of. And we see you being supportive, or they feel like you could be supportive in this measure. In communication, the communication is very good, but they were bruised. You probably said something to them that bruised their ego. Standing their ground is going to pay off. There is a new path opening up, or a new road or avenue opening up for them. They've built back their esteem. We have them creating a new reality, a new world, a new life for themselves. Perhaps this was a new career. And standing their ground is going to pay off for them. So maybe this is the message for you, Taurus, that sometimes people don't always do as we want them to. They can't be led, but approached in a certain manner. The respect goes deep. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Let's get a message from the angels about love specifically. And the advice or message for Taurus about love. Codependency. So perhaps you've had this argument before, and it's been like a hamster wheel with the same results over and over again. And they're trying to change that strategy, or maybe they see you trying to change the strategy to get them to do what you want. Therefore, they're feeling defensive and careful. This boredom feeling, they want off that hamster wheel. Or perhaps you do. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Self-explanatory. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So perhaps they were raised differently. Perhaps you have a difference of opinion that you have not been able to come to. You're back on the hamster wheel. You've not been able to come to a conclusion that their way is their way and your way is your way, and never the twain shall meet. Life would be too boring if we were all the same. It could also mean too, Taurus, that you're similar. The things that you have in common with this person are because you come from a similar background, a similar upbringing. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So this needs to be approached in a way of starting from scratch. Maybe Someone got friend zoned. Someone got friend zoned. Patiently waiting for that cycle to end. They haven't given up hope on you. They just want things to be different. Or vice versa. I hope that helped, Taurus. Please hit the like, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell for notification when I go live and start pulling. I go live twice a week and pull free cards for people who are in the chat with me. Hope to see you again soon. God bless. Bye-bye for now.